Hello everyone, my name is Sonita. Today I want to share something important, the value of time.
Time is like a river. It's always move forward and never come back. Once a moment is gone, we can never catch it again. Time is one of the most precious things in our life. We cannot buy it, we cannot stop it. We can only use it wisely. Every second is a chance to grow. Every minute is a chance to learn. Every day is a chance to become a better person. Some students think, I will study tomorrow, or I still have time. But tomorrow is not promised. If we waste today, we lose something we can never get back. But if we use today well, reading, studying, practicing, and improving, we build a strong future for ourselves. Will you choose to learn or to be lazy? Will you choose to change or stay the same? Every small step we take today becomes our success tomorrow. Even 10 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of practice, or one new thing learned each day can change our life.
My friend, time will not wait for us.
So let us not wait for our dreams. Study hard, keep learning, improve yourself every day. Make today meaningful and your tomorrow will be brighter than you imagine.
សាលារៀនអន្តរជាតិ Chemtalk ផ្ដល់សេវាកម្មអប់រំប្រកបដោយគុណភាព គុណធម៌ ឧត្តមភាព និងជាជំរឿនដ៏ល្អបំផុតសម្រាប់បុត្រធីតាលោកអ្នកសូមអរគុណ